Every January, we promise ourselves, this is going to be the year. This is the year we're going to break through from the habits that hold us back. This is the year we finally take control of our lives. This is the year we become the person that we want to be. We set ambitious goals. We make big plans. And for a while, it feels real. It feels exciting. We're motivated. We're determined. And then reality sets in. Most New Year's resolutions don't even make it through the first month. Motivation fades, distraction sets in, and by spring, all our bold plans are buried under the weight of daily life. For thousands of years, human beings have struggled with this cycle. The question, Epictetus said, is how much longer are you going to wait to demand the best from yourself? Why are you going to wait until the year after this year? How many years are you going to waste? A lot of approaches fail because they're relying on motivation, not structure, not systems, not accountability. And lasting self-improvement, it takes more than inspiration, because if you're not feeling it that day, is it all gonna fall apart? To break old habits and forge new ones, you're gonna need more than good intentions. You need a framework, you need a system, you need a plan, you need people, you need structure. This is what we built the Daily Stoic New Year, New You challenge around. Over the years, people from all walks of life have done this challenge. We've had CEOs and celebrities, special forces operators, politicians, entrepreneurs, creatives, stay-at-home parents, families doing it together. Tens of thousands of people now all over the world start their year with the Daily Stoic New Year, New You challenge. You're going to discover how to build resilience, how to let go of emotional baggage, how to find gratitude and meaning in adversity, how to strengthen relationships and connections, how to get perspective on what really matters. So each morning you get the challenge, and it's going to push you. It's going to be uncomfortable, but it's also going to be practical and actionable and designed to spark some transformation in you. We'll show you exactly what to do, how to do it, why it works, and you'll be doing it, more importantly, alongside thousands of other Stoics all over the world. The idea is, let's start every day of this new year with a clear, actionable challenge. Something you can't procrastinate, something you can't put off, something you don't get to choose whether you do it or not. No, this is the challenge. We're all doing it, and we're doing it together. A powerful leap into the dark that will propel you forward in some important way that will set you up to be better this year. I want you to picture yourself letting go of harmful habits that have held you back. Picture yourself springing forward into new and better habits. I want you to imagine a new year where you're less distracted, you're less tempted, you're less afraid, where you have the stillness to deal with the chaos that's almost certainly going to come in the next 12 calendar months. As the days go by, that kind of transformation, that kind of help, it's going to add up. That all sounds good, I'm sure. But the problem is we tell ourselves, yeah, I want to do that. I'll get around to it later. Let me get through the holidays first. Yeah, I'll sign up towards the end of the month. It's fascinating to watch how the rush of people sign up for the challenge. After the year has already started, they're starting the year off with a bad habit, which is procrastination. So the idea is, let's do it now. Let's commit together now to doing this challenge together. Each morning in the Daily Stoic New Year, New You challenge, you're going to receive a prompt, an action, strategy, exercise. It's going to help build up the character and the habits and the practices that you need to survive what 2025 has in store for you. Every year we rebuild this challenge based on what's happening in the world, what people need. I build it around what I think I'm going to need for the year ahead. So we don't just rebrand it. It's not the same thing every year. It's a new challenge with new ideas built to help you tackle the year ahead. 2025 is going to be a crazy year. And so we build the Daily Stoic New Year, New You challenge to help cultivate the traits and virtues and resilience you're going to need to face that year to become what you're capable of being in this year. So let's make 2025 the year you stop dreaming about who you want to be, the year you stop being disappointed in yourself as soon as mid-January, because you've already given up on your resolutions. Let's make it a year that you seize from the beginning and you never let go. You build the habits and the practices and the confidence and the clarity you need to be the person, as Marcus Aurelius said, that philosophy tried to make. That's what we're doing with the Daily Stoic New Year, New You Challenge. And I'd love to have you join me and thousands of other Stoics all over the world doing precisely that. It's going to start on January 1st. Don't procrastinate. Don't put it off. Join us now. The Daily Stoic New Year, New Challenge. You can sign up at dailystoic.com/challenge. Stop being the person you've always been. Let's be the person we are capable of being. That's how I'm going to kick off my 2025. And I hope to see you in the Daily Stoic New Year, New You Challenge. You can sign up at dailystoic.com/challenge right now.